Welcome back to Motor Pulse, where innovation meets adrenaline. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome, a masterpiece that redefines what luxury travel and mobility can be. Toyota has taken the concept of adventure and fused it with futuristic technology, efficiency, and comfort in a way that feels like it's from another planet. This is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle on wheels. Let's start with the exterior. The first thing that captures your attention is the design, bold, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Toyota. The 2026 Motorhome carries the brand's new design philosophy, blending rugged utility with a smooth, futuristic aesthetic. The front fascia is sharp, with LED matrix headlights shaped like a pair of focused eyes, giving it an assertive presence on the road. The front grille features active air shutters that adjust for aerodynamic efficiency, while the Toyota badge now glows softly in electric blue, a signature detail for the brand's hybrid and EV lineup. The sides flow beautifully with sculpted lines that make this large motorhome appear sleek and dynamic. Toyota used lightweight aluminum panels combined with carbon fiber reinforcements to reduce weight while maintaining strength. The result is a large, commanding vehicle that doesn't feel bulky or outdated. Massive panoramic windows extend along both sides, giving the passengers a full view of the world outside and flooding the interior with natural light. At the rear, you'll find LED taillights integrated seamlessly into the bodywork, a powered liftgate for easy access to storage compartments, and a deployable awning that automatically adjusts based on sunlight and wind conditions. Even the roof is intelligent, featuring integrated solar panels that can recharge the auxiliary battery pack while parked. Every inch of this exterior screams precision and purpose, with Toyota focusing on efficiency, aesthetics, and function in perfect balance. Now, let's talk performance because Toyota didn't just build a mobile house, they engineered a powerhouse. Underneath this sleek design sits Toyota's latest HybridDrive X system, a plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine with dual electric motors. Together, they produce an impressive 480 horsepower and over 600 Newton-meters of torque, more than enough to handle long-distance hauls, steep mountain roads, and even off-grid adventures with ease. The power delivery is smooth, and the transition between electric and gasoline modes is nearly seamless. With Toyota's latest energy management software, the 2026 Motorhome automatically switches to full electric drive in urban zones and hybrid mode on highways, ensuring maximum efficiency and minimum emissions. On a full charge and tank, the range exceeds 900 miles, making it one of the most capable long-distance motorhomes on the planet. The chassis is based on Toyota's new TNGA-L platform, which has been heavily modified for the motorhome segment. This means you get stability, rigidity, and comfort no matter where you drive. Adaptive air suspension keeps the ride composed, whether on smooth highways or gravel paths. It even adjusts automatically to crosswinds and load distribution, so handling remains sharp and confident. Toyota also equipped the motorhome with its next-generation all-wheel drive system, capable of intelligent torque distribution. That means when you're climbing a steep hill or navigating a slippery campsite, the vehicle knows exactly where to send power for maximum traction. The regenerative braking system is stronger than ever, reclaiming energy efficiently while providing smooth deceleration. Toyota didn't forget about safety either. The 2026 Motorhome includes the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.5, with features like advanced adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, blind spot detection, 360-degree cameras, and even an AI-powered collision prevention system that can predict potential risks using real-time data. This isn't just a safe vehicle, it's a smart one that looks after you every mile of the journey. Now let's step inside for a brief look at the interior, where Toyota's attention to detail truly shines. The cabin feels like a luxury apartment mixed with a high-tech lounge. As soon as you enter, you're greeted with warm ambient lighting that adjusts based on the time of day. The materials are premium, soft-touch leather, natural wood trims, and brushed aluminum accents that create a sophisticated, calming atmosphere. The driver's cockpit is pure Toyota innovation. A curved OLED display stretches across the dashboard, merging navigation, climate, and entertainment in one intuitive interface. The steering wheel features haptic touch controls, and the digital instrument cluster can display navigation overlays directly in your line of sight through an augmented reality head-up display. The living area is equally impressive. There's a modular seating arrangement that converts effortlessly into a dining space, work zone, or sleeping area. The smart kitchen includes an induction cooktop, compact refrigerator, and even a built-in air fryer. The bathroom is compact but well designed, featuring a rainfall shower and water recycling system for extended off-grid trips. Every element inside the 2026 Toyota Motorhome feels meticulously crafted to make life on the road not just comfortable but luxurious. Connectivity is also a key focus. The vehicle supports full 5G integration, voice control through Toyota's AI assistant, and remote monitoring via a dedicated mobile app. You can control lighting, temperature, and even security cameras from your smartphone. The sound system, co-developed with JBL, delivers a cinematic audio experience, perfect for those nights parked under the stars. In essence, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome represents the future of travel, where adventure meets innovation, and where sustainability meets luxury. Toyota has taken everything they've learned from decades of automotive excellence and poured it into a motorhome that is not only beautiful but intelligent and capable beyond expectations. This is more than just a vehicle, it's freedom redefined. A symbol of how far technology can take us when designed for real people, real journeys, and real dreams. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is proof that the road ahead doesn't have to compromise between comfort and capability, it can give you both in breathtaking style. Thanks for watching Motor Pulse. If you love groundbreaking automotive innovation and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome isn't just a new chapter for Toyota, it's a new chapter for travel itself.